Today I'm sharing a delicious easy stir-fried black pepper mushroom dish that can be enjoyed as a vegetarian meal. It is so good and the texture is similar to that of a meat dish. This recipe is for 4 servings. Let's start off by cutting 5 to 6 pieces of 400 grams of orangey mushroom or king trumpet mushroom. Cut the top part into half and the stem into half vertically. Slice the stem into slightly thick half circle, like this. Here is a tip. I recommend using the orangey mushroom for this recipe, as this mushroom maintains a firm texture even after cooking. Other type of mushroom will mostly become really soft or reduce too much in volume after cooking. Alright, the mushrooms are ready. Leave it aside. Next, cut 350 grams of capsicum or bell pepper. Today I'm using a mixture of red and green ones for sweetness and an earthly flavor. Using just one type is okay as well. Remove the seed and middle part. These tend to add spice to the dish. Then cut the flesh into smaller cubes. And place them on a plate. Cut the top, removing the stem. Alright, the red one is done. Repeat the same step with the green one as well. Removing the middle part and seeds. Cut the flesh into smaller squares. And remove the stem from the top. Alright, all done. Put them all in a small plate. Next, prepare the flour slurry. Put half tablespoon of tapioca flour in a small mixing bowl. Add 25 ml of water. Mix until the flour has completely dissolved, so we will get a smooth and velvet-like sauce. Cornstarch can be used as well. Alright, all done. Leave aside. Next, wash the mushroom. As they are quite clean, I will wash them through the netting basket just once or twice. Usually, I will advise not to wash the mushroom until they are ready to be cooked. But for this type of mushroom, it does not absorb too much water, so they will not wilt easily, nor become slimy after. Alright, all done. Leave them in a bowl. Do the same for the capsicum. Just rinse them once or twice. These also remove any seeds stuck to them. Leave them on a plate and set aside. Now we are done with washing. Let's cook the easy stir-fried black pepper mushroom. Switch on the heat to medium. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and wait for about 30 seconds for it to warm up. Add 20 grams of minced garlic. Fry it until crispy and golden brown. This takes about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the garlic is cooked perfectly. Its fragrance and caramelized. Switch off the heat and remove most of them from the pan. Transfer them to a plate and set aside. Now we have a lovely garlic-infused oil with a bit of crispy garlic in the pan. Switch on the heat again. Add all the washed orangey mushroom and the seasoning. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And half tablespoon of light soy sauce. Stir to mix the mushroom until they are well combined with the seasoning. Add 50 ml of water and stir to mix well. Cover the pan and allow them to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the orangey mushroom should be about 80% cooked. Notice that we have a lot of water now, as they tend to release a lot of liquid as they cook. Add all the capsicum. Cover the pan and continue cooking for 2 more minutes for just cooked crunchy capsicum. If you prefer them to be soft and tender, add them together with the mushroom and add 5 minutes to the cooking time. After 2 minutes, the capsicum are cooked perfectly. Give it a taste. It's good. More seasoning can be added if preferred. Next, add half tablespoon of coarse black pepper. Stir and mix them well. Alright, the gravy is almost done. Stir the flour slurry before pouring it in. Mix the gravy quickly to thicken it until the consistency becomes smooth and velvet-like. Alright, this is perfect. Switch off the heat. Add the crispy fried garlic. Stir to mix well. And we are done. Dish it out and serve. Let's eat. It's very delicious. The iringi mushroom's texture is tender and soft, and the capsicum are sweet and crunchy. The black pepper gravy is delicious and smooth, coating all of the ingredients well with flavor. My family is going to enjoy this dish very much. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!